Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rama. It is time for a very quick video. This is a hair update and it's wash day, and I just wanted to stop by very quick in this short video to show you guys how my hair is doing exactly 1 year after chemo. I lost all my hair. If you have not seen my previous video, go ahead and watch my previous video. So I did lost all my hair due to chemo following a cancer diagnosis, and yeah, I was completely bald after chemo. And this is 1 year approximately since chemo. My hair has been growing back pretty well, and today I just wanted to show you guys how it is doing, and we're also going to do a little length check just to see how far I have come. I will show pictures of how it was and how we're going to take that length check just to see how it's doing now. But I heard about this okra slime and I want to put it to the test today. My hair needs some help. It needs a little bit of water, a little bit of moisture. It looks quite dry. It has been on a protective style, and today I'm just gonna test this okra slime and see if it helps detangle better, and how if it will make my hair softer. Let's see. Okay, but first of all, let's go ahead and prepare this okra slime. First, what I did is just cut this okra in slices, and I just put it in a water, and I let it come to a boil. I let it boil for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes it is ready to be used. I drain the juice out of it, and the only thing I add to this juice after it cooled down is 3 drops of peppermint essential oil. Now I'm going and I am spraying this slimy juice all over my hair, and after I make sure everything is saturated, what I did is just now combing it out. It does look like this is helping a lot because the detangling process, my hair is actually combing much easier, and it's already feeling much softer. So after I comb all throughout and completely detangle, I cover this with a plastic cap and I let it sit for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I wash my hair, and guys, look at this. It feels actually much better. My hair overall feels much softer. So I think the okra slime, okay, I'll give it a little thumbs up. It looks like it has helped a little bit. I probably will keep this into my hair routine, of course. So after this, let's go ahead and do this length check very quick, because I have not even tried to see how much my hair is growing for a while. But I'm looking at my hair today, and guys, I can tell you there is a big difference. It has changed. It has grown a lot. And look at this length. Oh my god, almost this has completely passed my forehead at this point. So I am happy about how this hair is growing. I am happy about it. So now I am going to go ahead and just do my regular routine after a wash. And what I'm using right now is the botana oil. What I do with this oil is I will saturate all my scalp with this oil, and I will massage it and comb it out. After I massage my scalp with this oil, I follow it with my DIY hair moisturizer cream, and then I massage it as well. Make sure all my hair is saturated very well, and then that is pretty much it, guys. That is it. That is all I do for my hair. After this, I can just wear my hair like this, or I can put it back in a protective style. The protective style I've been using lately is just being a crochet. I just crochet something into my hair, and that just give it a little rest and not just having to mess with it every single day. So guys, that is it for this video. Is a quick video for today. Like I said, it's just to show you guys how my hair is doing now, and just to give you guys a quick update because my hair has grown tremendously. I'm quite pleased with how it has turned out and how good it's growing, and I have no complaints at all. What I'm doing now is just working on my edges to grow my edges better, and this oil has been helping me as well on how to grow. It's helping me tremendously in growing my edges. So it's been slow, but surely is getting there. And I really appreciate you guys for stopping by as well. I thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time on my next video. Thank you. Bye.